Hi everyone! In this video, I will be unboxing the SMOS DP1 Phantom. This is a USB-C dock for phones and computers, and it has several ports that we are going to take a look. The box doesn't specify what it includes. In regarding to ports, it just specified the models of phones that it is compatible with. You can see this is the box, and this was a Kickstarter campaign, and I received this product this week, and we'll be taking a look. So let's start the unboxing. So first thing we'll see is the manual that comes with it. It tells us the what the ports are: USB 3, USB 3, Type C port, HDMI, SD. Actually, this is Chinese. So yeah, this is the instructions, and let's take a look at the actual hub and dock here. So let's open it. Take it out. Alright, so we have here the dock, and you can see this is the USB port, and this is the another USB port because it has two. This one is for the phones, and how do you close it? Doesn't seem to have like a release button. Okay, now I messed it up. I don't know how to close it. I need to check out the manual. 10. What does that mean? The number 10. Ah, I see. Switch instruct release switch. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's how. So yeah, you have to actually put this back here and then it closes. So yeah. Okay, so let's see the ports. It have a Type C port here, two USB 3.0 ports here. On the back we have an HDMI port, we have an Ethernet port here, we have another, we have the power port here. It has a 3.5 jack, it has an SD card slot, and it have a micro SD card slot as well. So this one, I said that this is another USB port. You can see that when I take it out, it's a short cable because this is if you want to use it with a computer. So that's great because if you have a laptop with a USB-C port, you can just plug it in and you can use it with your computer. And if you want to use it with your phone, then you open here and you put the phone here, and then if you want to just close it, then go ahead and close it, and then that's it. So we have that. Continuing with the unboxing, we have a carrying bag here to carry the dock with us. So we can carry it with us at any place we go. So that's great. And that's about it. There's nothing more here. So it doesn't come with any cables. It's just the dock. Alright, so basically that concludes this unboxing video. This was a really simple video because that's the only content that comes with it: the dock, the bag, the instruction manual, and here's the box. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.